there.
Is it going?
It says REC.
Okay. We're at Napanee River today. Got this nice female king salmon. About a 15 to 16 pounder. First one of the day. Hopefully there'll be more. She's still good looking. But there you go. First one of the day, boys. That Center's TV. Now I got this nice looking nice big salmon. Good job, Noah. There we go, boys. Two nice big king salmon. Noah's got the bigger male over there. I got a little male compared to that guy. Jake's hooked up with the first salmon of the day. He's gonna try and make you lose it.
Oh shit.
Jake, go under his.
I'm over. Wait, what?
Where are you?
He's down there.
Because I have one on here.
I do too.
Day 2, boys. We got two nice king salmon. One female, one male, and then traded the roe for a nice little rainbow. And here's the female we traded. But yeah, hopefully we get more. See you guys later.